In this video, we look at functions, one of the most powerful ideas in Python. A function lets you name a block of code so you can use it again and again. A function is like giving Python a recipe. You write the steps once under a name, and whenever you need those steps, you just say the name. The keyword def tells Python we are defining a function. We choose the name greet, then add a colon at the end of that line. Line 2 is indented by 4 spaces. That indentation is how Python knows this line belongs inside the function. Everything indented here is the function body. To actually run the function, we call it by writing its name followed by parentheses. Without this line, Python learns the recipe but never cooks it. When we run the file, Python sees the call to greet, jumps into the function body, and prints hello. That one word is the exact output. Imagine needing to greet the user 5 times. Without a function, you paste the same line 5 times. With a function, you just call greet 5 times, much cleaner. Remember, def names the block, indentation groups it, and parentheses run it. Functions are the building blocks that keep your code clean and reusable.